Forget everything you thought you knew about finding profitable meme coin traders while everybody else is guessing. I'm about to show you the new automated way that I track down millionaire insider wallets before they pump. The old methods, they're completely dead, with the entire cryptocurrency market on the verge of the biggest explosion. Yet, this isn't just your biggest opportunity, it's your last chance to get in at the ground floor. Stay locked in because I'm revealing exactly how to stay ahead of this meme coin curve. Smash the like, subscribe, and comment. Let's jump straight into it. Today's video, we're going to use SolSqueezer to be able to find these insider millionaire wallets. First, we'll need to find some top trending coins, and then we'll paste it into SolSqueezer to find the top trending wallets. We'll be able to find some traders potentially up hundreds of thousands of dollars just today. And then I'll be showing you a new method to be able to follow along to their trades and actually manually buy in and get a signal when they're entering a trade. So let's first begin here on Axiom. Just going to be using the trending tab. What I first need to find is a top trending coin. Now we can use here on Axiom. You can also come over on Deck Screener and see some of the top trending coins. Like we even have this one right here. It was just launched just a couple of days ago, decently trending to the upside. In today's strategy, we'll always want to be focusing on the newer coins in the market, like this one, only a couple of days old. Let's use this one as an example. Come over, copy the address. Then we'll need to come over to TradeWiz. So I'll leave the free version of TradeWiz in the video description. The reason we need this is because we're using their free feature here, Smart Money. Now we're pasting that token that we found. So we're going to find all the top wallets for this token. So here, some traders up 1,000%. So then we click on that specific trader and you can see all of their trades. There's actually nearly 62% win rate. Very, very good. Once you've done that, copy his address, come over to SolSqueezer and paste it into SolSqueezer, because this is where we're going to get the real in-depth information. TradeWiz is great for this information, but SolSqueezer is even more in-depth. Like you can see right here, his best trade made 35 Sol, worst trade lost 5 Sol, overall win rate, fast trade. So a lot of his trades are fast trades, so it might be a little bit hard to get in and out of some of these trades. Average trade ROI is a very important statistic. So it's not red showing is bad, but it is yellow. We definitely want a higher trade ROI. So even we can go back to the next trader. So we first analyze this first trader, then we'll click on the second trader. Then we'll get all of his trades to come up, copy his address, come back over to SolSqueezer, and we can then analyze the second wallet. Now let's wait just a second for SolSqueezer to do its work. Again, everything you can find in the video description, completely free. Here we go. We can see actually this trader is losing some money. Average trade ROI showing some red right here. We can just continue doing this over and over again. That's how we find these top traders. Lastly, we can analyze one more trader here, chuck them into SolSqueezer, and then I'm going to show you the most important aspect of today's video. So let's have a look, and we'll just pick the best wallet out of the few that I've analyzed. Again, the best thing to do is just to keep doing this over and over again. And if you were to analyze 20, 30, 50, 100 wallets, you easily find some really, really high quality wallets. Even here, this is probably the best trader right here. Actually has an unrealized profit and loss, nearly 57,000. Actually lost 62 Sol in his worst trade, but his best trade over 100 Sol. So let's just say that this trader is the best one that we have found. There are many, and we'd obviously find many, many more even better traders if we were to continue on and look for even more. Just all we need to do is copy this address. Once you've copied that, the most important aspect that we're going to be using is coming back over to Axiom. We're going to be using their wallet tracking feature. So let's actually make this a lot bigger. Now we'll come over to the wallet manager, because now that we've found a top trader, we need to add them to our wallet manager. And what that will do is it will give us all of their live trades that they're entering and exiting. So you can see I've already got some traders. I've shown a video in the past from Colscan. We've even got SolSqueezer 1, SolSqueezer 2, Colscan, and even other traders. So let's go back. Let's add this wallet in the top right. Now we'll put the address, so we'll paste in the address. Let's call it SolSqueezer 3 so we can keep note of this in the future. Add the wallet. Now we'll wait for him to be added so you can see all of the wallets, but then we also want to be clicking this alert. So now we're going to be getting signals live on Axiom. We'll hear a noise and we'll be able to see all of their trades in the market. So now we'll come back over to live trades. And now all of their live trades will be accessible as they take them. So you can actually go through and look at some past trades. The reason that I find this is super effective is I can leave Axiom on. And then as soon as these traders are taking trades, I'm getting information that, hey, this trader's entering a trade and I should really look at this because, hey, this trader's up over $20,000. Look at some other traders even here. How much is this trader up? Actually, he's up over $300,000. So clearly a massively profitable trader. When he's taking trades, I want to be following along. So you see here, it tells him the name of the trader and the actual token that they're buying and how much they entered for. Like here, 23 Solana, here entered for 3 Solana, and we can jump over to that specific token. Let's make this a little bit smaller. We've even got the TradeWiz alpha on this left-hand side. We can make that smaller as well. And you can even see when traders were entering, like here, Colscan2 actually bought right here. So now we can easily track all of these traders' trades. So here I'm going to SolSqueezer. He actually bought into land for 23 Solana. And here we can see all of these trades. Let's make it a bit smaller and see he actually entered here, entered here, entered here, entered here, sold some here, sold some here, sold some there. So actually made some massive profit. The reason I love this is because I'm seeing some of the best traders in the world, these meme coin traders, entering to trades, and I can follow along manually. I don't even need to be doing copy trading anymore. I can get these live alerts, and then I can choose if I want to enter the coin rather than every single token I'm just entering into. But the most important aspect of this is also using TradeWiz, because if you're buying Axiom using their own specific features right here, it's actually quite slow. So I do use TradeWiz. It's the fastest Telegram trading bot. As I showed you, they do have their Telegram trading bot, but then from here you can click start and then you can go over and click on their extension and it will open it up for an extension where you can trade on top of Axiom, even Dex Screener and all these other websites. You automatically get this TradeWiz window to enter into trades. It just makes it really easy because they are the fastest trading platform compared to others. I've shown you in the last video some free signals, how to get all these free signals from TradeWiz, which is really good. So I'm using all of these features together to take advantage of meme coins because there's still a lot of opportunities, as I just showed you. And here's showing you that extra feature of Dex Screener. So let's just pick a random coin. Actually, this was the same one that we looked at on Axiom. You can see instantly when I open it up, this TradeWiz window actually pops up and I can move it around where I want. So here I'm able to instantly enter, because obviously you'd know to actually enter into Dex Screener, you'd have to connect your own wallet and all of these types of features. So you can actually just have one wallet and it's tradable across all the websites. Clearly, TradeWiz is faster than all of them, and speed for me is very important. So I'm only ever trading with the fastest platforms available. Unfortunately, Axiom is not very fast for trading speed, but it is very good for all those other features like I showed you, the wallet feature. So it's clearly needed while we are trading. So if you have enjoyed today's video, smash a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.